Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the VCR. Safety first, because you will be near circuits. Remove any cassette and open the top cover. You need clear access. Inspect belts, caps, and heads visually, and photograph the layout so reassembly is foolproof. Once done, lay out tools and cleaning supplies, cotton swabs, isopropyl 90% plus, a small Phillips and Torx bits, so you won't interrupt the flow. Make sure to keep screws separated and labeled for their original positions. You will clean the video and audio heads carefully, apply isopropyl to a cotton swab, and rotate the drum slowly. This removes oxide and restores contact. Next, inspect and swap out any brittle or slack belts. Match length and tooth profile because wrong belts cause speed errors. Then check the idler, capstan, and pinch roller. Align tape guides and set capstan belt tension so the tape runs steady. Once the mechanical parts move freely, test without a tape to verify idle rotation. You now insert a known good tape and play. Listen and watch for flutter, dropouts, or tracking drift because those symptoms point to belts, capstan issues, or head wear. If problems persist, power down and recheck belt tension and idler rubber. Measure motor supply voltage if you can, since weak rails cause speed instability. Finally, if playback is intermittent, consider replacing electrolytic capacitors on the power board. They age and affect motor drive. If nothing works, note the symptom and consult a part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.